Lock strings are a kind of packaging accessories for daily clothes wear, mainly used in the label of clothing, fashion accessories. Mainly used in the label of clothing, fashion accessories, luggage accessories. Guangzhou Witch Union Company is a manufacturer with 10 years of experience in the production and sales of lock strings. We committed to producing high-quality lock string and working hard to build a high-end brand image for customers. For a long time, our degradable lock strings, recyclable strings, and safe and reliable anti-thief buckles have been widely recognized by customers.